This tutorial I will show how to knit this basket knit stitch. It's multiple of 2, and here I cast on the stitches 5 6 2 2 2 7 and 8 9 and 10 stitches. So first row we slip 1, knit 1 to the back loop. After we knit this one and also knit first one, knit second stitch. After we knit first stitch, knit second stitch. After we knit first stitch. So at the end of the row we have 1 stitch we knit, and last one we just purl for edge. This is our first row. Second row we slip on, purl this one, see, purl this one. After we purl first one, we purl this one. After we purl first one, so till end of the row we do like this. Last one we just purl for edge. These 2 rows we repeat all the time to knit this basket knit stitch. This is really so easy, so fast to knit. Here just 2 rows for repeat. This is right side, this is wrong side. How wrong side looks like. So let's start.